guys, here we are at Cromwell Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire. We're joining Andrew. I accidentally switched my camera to my face. There we go. Time is 21:18 on Saturday, the 13th of June 2015. This is for our 21:17 1 November 33 Grand Virgin Trains East Coast service from King's Cross to Newcastle.
For those people that are not interested at all.
Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Newcastle is expected on time and as previously called at London King's Cross, Peterborough and New Northgate, and is yet to call at Doncaster, North, Northampton, Birmingham, Devon and Newcastle.
Andrew, when that light came on, I saw a spark come out that blooming cubicle. Well, I saw it rattle or whatever it was, but it just literally something like sparked or something.
Someone's fiddled in the electric.
Hope not.
Likely.
Otherwise there'll be a pile of dust by now.
So would you, because you're stood nearby, ain't you? Yeah, so would you. Hello. Right, what's swimming 2 Tango up in the morning? Right, I've got a spare 6 for 5 number 58. Just gone out, just gonna have a...
What is it that makes barriers not go down properly?
Well, whatever's under them.
No, there's nothing under that barrier over there.
I'm saying there's no whatever's under them.
Is it probably because the weights are too heavy and they don't put it down properly?
The weights are too heavy.
You
can't have too heavy weights.
Of course you can.
If human beings can lift 600 pounds. So yeah.
Human beings cannot lift 600 pounds.
Human can lift up 600 pounds. One person in particular anyways. Don't know who the fuck they are.
600 pounds is probably the equivalent of half a car.
They can actually lift the car as well.
Altogether. And not one person. A car's probably about £1,000.
Remember the Echo ages ago, they could lift a whole car, including the wheels.
Apparently a lorry engine's heavier than a car.
They could lift bombs on their head.
Andrew, apparently a lorry engine's more heavier than a car. We've got... Oh yeah, of course I am. We've got... 43, 208, 206. 43 to 316 and up they go. Guys, next video.